Hi and welcome, Lisa here, bringing you another product reveal with the Spooktacular stamp set. This is a 4x6 stamp set. It offers 5 adorable ghosts and 6 funny sentiments to pair with them. Now, the largest image in this set measures approximately 1 3/4 inches wide at the widest point and 3 inches high at the highest point. The smallest image coming in at 1.5 by 1.5 inches. It also includes a little puddle so that you can stamp it with the ghost that's holding the glass. Now, I have a lot of ideas that I hope I can cover between now and the end of Halloween season here on the channel. I do have 2 samples to share with you today. The first sample, I simply created an ink blended background, added a few die cut pieces from the Dracula's Coffin die set, and stenciled the bats from the Halloween creature stencil onto the moon. Now, the first background is so easy. Be sure to check out my video that released today for a step-by-step tutorial on it. I have it linked at the end of this video for you. And I could not resist pairing this cutie with the twinkle stencil. With a smartphone in hand and the sentiment I would never ghost you, I knew I had to use the twinkle stencil. It reminds me of a filter you would find on one of the many apps out today, so in my mind, it just worked. Now, I simply added a few die cut pieces to this card from the Dracula's Coffin die set, and on both of the cards, I used the Cloud and Grass Edger die set to create that dark landscape. Now, if you want to see more inspiration featuring the Spooktacular stamp set, please head over to the blog or follow Whimsy Stamps on Instagram. We would love to have you join us in the Whimsy Stamps Inspiration Facebook group, and I encourage you to check out the design team's social media and blogs as well. Thanks for joining me for another product reveal. Please be sure to click that bell so you'll be notified when new content is added to the channel. And until next time, please know how much we appreciate you and take care.